everybody, and welcome back. So today I have some beautiful DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For our first DIY, I'm going to be starting off with 5 of these empty water bottles, and I'm just going to cut off the bottoms of each of the bottles. Here you see me just trimming away some more of that plastic bottle. I'm only really interested in the very bottom portion, so I'm going to trim away as much as I can. So right here you just see me wiping out any of the excess water that might be left in the bottom so that I can prepare for the next phase. Next I'll be using this 3-dimensional Mod Podge that I picked up from my local craft store. What you see me here doing is just outlining the bottom of my bottle with that 3-dimensional craft Mod Podge. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome! It's wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays and bonus videos on Sunday. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. I'll be taking 5 of these drinking straws and cutting them in half. I wanted the diameter of the straws to be smaller, so I'm going to tape them up with just some regular tape. Next I'll be using this wire that I already had, and I'm just going to wrap up my straws so that they are completely covered. Here's what they should look like. So now what I'm going to do is just set these aside and go back to the first part of this project and begin to work on that. The 3-dimensional Mod Podge has dried overnight. Now I'm just going to go in with this specialty glass glitter. I'm just going to add another coat of the 3-dimensional Mod Podge, and I'll be letting that sit overnight. And while that's drying, I'm going to begin to work on the final portion of this project. I'm going to be using this old glass container that I already had, and what I'm going to do is just remove the little leaf from around the stem of the container, and I will be saving that for upcoming fall DIYs. So now I'm just going to be using this iridescent bling strip that I picked up from Amazon. Right here I'm just using a craft knife to cut my bling strip. I find that it allows me to get a little closer and I don't have to lift up as much on my strips. Right here I was just trying to decide if I wanted to add another layer of bling, but ultimately I decided not to. I like the simplicity of just 2 layers. So yeah. Right here, I'm just giving you a close-up look at what the flower petals look like after the Mod Podge has dried. In hindsight, I would have either used a clear Mod Podge or I would have used a darker glitter so that I would have had more color payoff between the two. but I do like how it turned out. I just wish I had a little bit more of a color payoff between the two. Next, I'll be using these diamond face fillers, and they are from Dollar Tree. Since the diamonds are pointed, I had to wait until my hot glue cooled a little bit, and then I went in and pressed them down. That way I was able to keep my diamonds centered and not flopping over. So here you just see me going back in and trimming away some more of that excess plastic. I really need to purchase a pair of small scissors because this was really hard to do with jumbo scissors. I'm just going to dot on a little bit of that Gorilla Glue and then go back in with some hot glue so that it will have time to dry for the video. Last week, guys, we started on this lamp, and so I'm just going to update it today. I'm going to be using this diamond bling rope from Amazon, and I'm just going to measure out about 4 inches of rope. Then I'm just going to go in with my hot glue gun and begin to glue them down. Again, you guys, the method that I like to use is to just wait till the hot glue turns a little bit milky and then start to press down the rope. And I'm doing this so that they will stand up straight and not flop over.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.
And so this is what it looks like. Big huge shout out to everyone who left suggestions on the previous video. I really do appreciate it.
Singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!